Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's solve today's hamster cipher code for 1 million coins. The word for today is gamify. The first word is G. For this we have to hold 2 times and tap 1 time. Okay? Hold, hold, tap. We got the G. After this the word is A. For this we have to tap and hold. Tap, hold. We got the A. After this the word is M. For this we have to hold 2 times. Okay, hold, hold. We got the M. After this the word is E. For this we have to tap 1 time. Okay, we got the E. The next word is F. For this we have to tap 2 times, hold and tap. Okay, 1 2 tap and hold. We got the F. The last word is I. For this we have to tap 2 times. Okay, we will get the I. 1 2. We completed. Take the prize. Thanks for watching. If you don't understand anything, you can watch this. Here is the full code. Okay, you can see the whole code is here. You can pause the video or take a screenshot of this. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you tomorrow for next cipher code.